At the 7-Minute Life, we will take you on a transformational journey that guides you in a clear learning path. So let's take a few minutes to review this journey so you know what steps toward lasting change you're about to take. The learning journey is divided into 3 phases. In phase 1, you'll learn repeatable processes and systems and powerful time management skills. Because if you continue to live in constant chaos and you're constantly behind, you won't have the time or the mental capacity to dream and strategize for the future. In phase 2, you'll begin the process of internal reflection. You'll think about your priorities and what you value most in life, and you'll start to think about setting personal goals. And then in phase 3, you'll focus on creating new, positive behaviors and the psychology behind those habits to enable you to stay on track. These 3 phases can be further broken down into 7 smaller steps, so let's go over those briefly. The first step is awareness. And you're going to really ask yourself the honest questions. We believe time is your most valuable currency, so you're going to start with a time management assessment. And then you're going to begin to look inward, asking questions like, who are you? And where are you today? And who do you want to be? The second step is to organize your day. This is where you're going to learn how to use our most popular time management tool. The Daily Progress Report is what you're going to use to plan your day, to filter down your to-do list, and to use our powerful 5 before 11 method to focus on getting the right things done. The third step is to learn repeatable systems. This is where you're going to learn both our morning and evening routines, and also some systems to manage stress, clear the clutter, and remove distractions. At this point, we're going to move on to section 2, or phase 2. This is where you'll have more time and more mental space to focus on creating your long-term vision. This is where you'll be guided to create your life plan. You will identify your top 10 values, define your purpose in life, and you'll learn about understanding your highest and best. And you'll create a year-to-year plan so that you know what you're working toward, and you'll have a clear direction for your future. Step 5 is all about goal setting. So you're going to set 90-day personal goals, 90-day work goals based on the long-term vision that you've defined in step 4. You'll learn how to break those goals into smaller projects, and then you're going to gain strategies to both monitor and achieve those goals. In step 6, you'll learn how to align your daily task in order to move forward toward accomplishing the goals that you've just set. You're going to learn the power of micro actions, and you'll learn how to incorporate a weekly review and daily reflection into your processes and routines so that you know that every day you're making progress toward what you have to find those most important things to you. And then lastly, you're going to receive ongoing coaching and training and weekly webinars and advanced classes with experts. This is where you're going to learn to establish the habits that you need to progress toward the things that are most important to you, to establish a healthy work-life balance, and really see that lasting change that you've been hoping for. And this is where you're going to engage in the community. You're going to be part of our private Facebook group. And you'll also learn some of the psychology behind some of these habits that will help you create lasting behaviors. So these are the 7 steps of the learning journey. And we are excited for you to get started. So let's dive in and see where that first step is.